heading up north to start over again. And where we're heading, we got no friends, and our little brown car is full to the brim with my mother, my brother, and me. Say goodbye to our buddies on that summer day, and we didn't say much as we drove away. Behind her brave tears, she said we'll be okay, my mother, my brother, and me. We found that little house on that rundown land, and if we work real hard and do the best we can make ourselves a home in this high desert sand, my mother, my brother, and me. And she started a new job, and we're starting a new school, and it's hard to be a new kid and try to be cool, and I hear her cry at night, and we do too, my mother, my brother, and me. And I wonder if I'll be funny if I got good enough shoes. Will I find a girlfriend to write poetry to? And I wonder if there's a cure for these kind of blues for my mother, my brother, and me. Well, spring is here and that long winter's gone, and I can smell baseball with every fresh cut lawn, and hope it is surging. It's been so long for my brother, my mother, and me. This pretty girl Diana, she leaves notes in my desk, and she laughs at my jokes, and she likes how I dress, and I think things are getting better here, I guess, for my mother, my brother, and me. My mom, she got a raise, and she's taking us out to dinner, and my brother got a girlfriend. Damn, she's so pretty, and I'm sitting in the back seat. Oh, you should see us grinning. My mother